Information Office headed by Sir Ian Fuentes. Daghan kaayong salamat. O the CPRRMD, daghan kaayong salamat Sir Nico Bagan, RTA, and sa ato ang mga barangay police, no, sa pagtabang team of SUSAB. Gapart na beginning with our first couple. We have Mr. Jerry Algadete and Mr. Rescello. Once again, to Sir Lead, our 26 couples. Let's give them a round of applause. At all mga audience, hanggang pagpapit, the Music Great Band! And our next couple being Mr. Ansel Alvarado and Miss Christine Angeline Vico.
Ma'am, awayan na nito ng imam may ma'am.
Couple number 3.
Kaya mawala ang view na to sa atong kasal.
Mr. Brian Bagaho and Miss Geraldine Gurias.